Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fontana. You're watching the Jersey Wife channel. I told you, it's box week. I'm so excited. I got the box. FabFitFun. I never say it right. And there it is. It's huge. It's heavy. So I'm going to put it down and we're going to open it up slowly. Okay. We always get the magazine to tell me what is going on. There it is. Nice little magazine, tells you about the products and some recipes, I think, in here, some healthy snacks. I don't know. Whatever. That's not what we're going to look for. And, of course, we get the $50 gift card from HelloFresh. HelloFresh. We get that. Very excited. What is this stuff? Oh, this is that snack. Enjoy $3 off a box of Luna bars. Okay. God knows the Luna bars probably cost $70, but you get $3 off. I don't know how much Luna bars. I'm just saying. And what is this little thingaroonie? It says, share the love of Fab, Fit, and Fun. Can you share the love? So I'm going to leave the link below. Your first box is $10 off. So it's $49.99. You get $10 off. I'm going to leave it below. Please press the link and get yourself $10 off your very first box. Now, just so that anyone that doesn't know, Fab, Fit, and Fun, you can get it monthly, you can get it seasonally, which is what I did. I get the summer, the fall, the winter, and the spring box. That's all I get. So I get very excited when it comes. So I got the fall box. I have not looked on the website to see what was in the box. So I have no idea. So we're opening it together. For $50, it better be really good. Okay, it better be really good. Okay, so we're going to start off. I'm going to have to put my glasses on because it's crazy. This is called GLAMGLOW Bubble Sheet Deep Cleaning Mask. I've heard of these. They're like bubbly and they go on your skin. You get 2 of these made by Hollywood, California makes it, obviously. It says it on there. It's called GLAMGLOW. And there it is. GLAMGLOW. You got 2 of these. I'm guessing because it bubbles and it comes from Hollywood, California, I'm guessing this is some serious pricage, but I'm going to list everything, the retail of it below. Okay, so got that. Oh, we got the Luna bar. There it is. It's a crunchy cashew butter thing, whatever. I don't know. Sometimes these bars are so much more calories than just sitting down and having a sandwich, but that's just me. Okay, let's not open that first. Okay, this is, oh goodness, I need my glasses again. It's called Skin and Company. Roma makes it. It's blue and Capri because the Capri, you know, the water's blue and they got the thing. I was actually in that. I actually went to that and saw that. Shower gel. There it is. Obviously, it guarantees it's made in Italy or made in Canada and says it's made in Italy. No, it's made in Italy. And there it is, Skin and Company. Let me see this. Is it open so I could smell it? No, I can't smell it sealed. All right, that's probably super expensive. I can guarantee you it's super expensive. What is this? Grown, okay, Repair Day Cream. Is that for your face? Free from skin aging toxins. There it is. Alchemist. Grown by Alchemist. I have no idea, never heard of it. Let's see what it looks like. I gotta open it, everybody. Okay, this is supposed to what? Nourish non-greasy facial moisturizer for noticeable improvements in your skin. Maybe they heard me in my last video when I said all I get is a lot of stuff, but I want anti-aging stuff. This, I guarantee you, just by the metal container of it, I'm gonna guess this is super expensive, and I will superly be using it. They must have heard me. That is so weird. I got an anti-aging thing finally. Okay. This is hysterical. It's a little umbrella. Little Totes umbrella. It's made by Catherine. Oh God, Malandrino, which I know her name because it's all over the place, and there it is. And it's a cute little umbrella. Nice little print on it. Look at that. Okay. I'm liking this. Could always use a portable umbrella, right? Especially when you're walking around. Okay, what the heck is this?
This is, I gotta put my glasses on. Where the hell are the glasses?
This is Beautyblender, the original Beautyblender. Not the fake one that we've been using. This is the original one. And there it is. It's very cute. I'm sure this was expensive too because it said the word original. What is this? Okay, let's see what this is. Do It All. Get it? D-E-W. It's a total eye cream. They had to be listening to me. How did this all get in my box? This is for eye cream. And it's all natural. It's PABA free and animal free and free, except it's not free when you go to buy it. It's supposed to help your eyes. What is it supposed to do? Doesn't really tell you. Oh, it delivers fresh, dewy feeling, reap the benefits, sow the seed. So, all right, well, you know, I'll try it. And there it is. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, God, what is this? Simple, whimsical, homemade, pretty towel. Oh, it's a little towel. That's cute. Like a little, as Italians call this, mop beans. They're mop beans. It's for the kitchen. And, yeah, mop bean is an Italian term for kitchen towel. And this mop bean probably cost about $20, where most mop beans cost $3.99. But very cute. Okay, what is this thing? All right, this looks big. What is this? This is made, by Vince. Let's see what Vince is making here. What has Vince got? It's black, whatever it is. Let's see. What is Vince making? All right, Vince. Very cute little bag. A tote. A nice tote bag. I'm guessing it's not leather because, you know, everything can't be leather anymore. Let's see what it is. I don't think it's leather. It doesn't smell. No, it's not leather. It's rubber. But this is really cute. Look how big it is. Tote bag. That is really nice tote bag. And his name, and comes in a pretty bag. And this is definitely something people use all the time. So that is definitely a goodie. And now I'm dying to see what this thing is. This is a stainless steel, oh God, ALFRED ceramic stainless steel teapot. I don't use teapots, but okay. I don't know what it looks like. I can't open it because I don't have a scissor with me. I don't know. I think I would give this to a tea drinker. I am not a tea drinker. I am a coffee drinker. Oh my God, it's so adorable. It is adorable, especially if you really do drink tea. Look how cute that is. Very cute. And, you know, if you drink tea, oh, look, it has a little thing in there, you know, for the tea people. They steep it and put the tea leaves in there. Very cute. And that's probably a fortune. So, for $50, you got a beautiful tote. You got a beautiful teapot. You got an anti-aging do-it-all. We have the original sponge, you know, blender. We have some sort of wrinkle I don't know, glowing skin product that is probably fantastic. Grown Alchemist. Alchemist, it'd be called Alchemist. I'm sure it has an accent to it. And blue and Capri. We got one of those. We got a mop bean. Looks really nice too. It's really pretty by Simple Whimsical. It's a very cute, gotta say. It matches my kitchen. And a tote umbrella. Who doesn't love this? By Catherine. And a Luna bar. And facial masks that really look cool. And $3 off. And a $50 HelloFresh. I am a Blue Apron, so I'm going to give this away to somebody I know. Absolutely. And you have all the information in here on what the products are. And, oh, she's on the cover. I love Christina Applegate. She's on the cover. She's beautiful, isn't she? Do you think it's worth $50? Right below. Because when I list the original prices of this stuff, you're going to be mind blown. And let's say it's probably blown out of proportion. But right below, tell me what you think. I'm kind of happy. The box is, you know, I rate everything from 0 to 5, and the boxes are always good. This is probably one of the best boxes, only because it has products in it that I really will use more than my family or my giveaway stuff that I give away to family that I can't use. So there's actual stuff in here that I would definitely use. So I'm going to give this a 4.8. I don't give anything a perfect because it's not perfect, but it's a 4.8. The only one that's perfect is the Target box because it's only $7 versus 50. But anyway, that's just me. So you've been watching the Jersey Wife channel. I'm Fontana. We live Jersey here. Without a doubt, Jersey. We also live very loud and we never compromise. And I'm going to see you peeps in my next video. Bye.